Hey Gloria, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your site. You got a really nice header here. You got your logo as well as, of course, your name, um, all the different drop-down menus, as well as your number with as a click to call, which is great. You want them to get on the phone with you as quickly as possible. Then, of course, you talk about who you are and that you're fully certified and all your people are certified, which is awesome. And then of course the different services you provide, and then all the different pages you have. So it's really nice. I'm not seeing a ton of content on what you provide on your homepage. I know it should be obvious with the floor company, but what Google is looking for is 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage explaining about you and the different services and locations and stuff like that about, like, of course, wood flooring, and talking more about wood flooring in your area. Now, but the reason for that is so that you can place buyer intent words throughout your site, and that's what a buyer intent word is people that are is the phrases people are putting into Google, sorry, to find your specific service. I had a brain fart there. But before we get deeper into that, let's check behind the scenes on your website and see what's going on. So the system we use is called Ahrefs. Two things we look for are the UR and the DR rating. The UR is the strength of your website, which as you can see is 11, and the DR rating is the trust Google places in your site, which as you can see is a 0.1. Now, ideally, we want these between 30 and 40. That's the goal. That's the ideal with a ratio of 1 to 1. The way we get that is with strong backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal because, for example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great just because that is relevant to your service. Now, another huge important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So you have 71, which is bringing you the 192 traffic, but let's see what those 71 are. So Anderson hardwood floor, Anderson hardwood floor, Anderson hardwood floors, Anderson hardwood floors. So as you can see, all the traffic that you're getting to your site are people searching for you specifically, not a general service. So let's check the wood floor company, wooden floor company, hardwood floors, Milwaukee. That's going to be the first real one that's going to be like your location base. If someone in Milwaukee is looking for hardwood floors that don't know about you. 100 people a month. Right now, you just jump back to the 5th page, which the 2nd page is where websites go to die. So unfortunately, the 5th page, it's dead and buried. So yeah, we want to raise buyer intent words. Milwaukee hardwood floors, same deal. We want to raise buyer intent words, not just your name, because people know you already. So first thing, we're going to check the top one. So flooring, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. That's your top keyword for the flooring. So first you're going to have your GMB, which is the Google Map Pack. Now it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these 3 or 4 people because there's an ad. They'll pick one of these people just because that's the easiest thing to do. Then you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So you're going to have the randos like Yelp, and then you have Flawless Flooring. This is going to be your top competitor. Now, we look at their website. They have a lot going on. They have their click to call. They have, frankly, too much. They got to calm that down. But if you go down, as you can see, they have a lot of content explaining what they do, where they are, how you can find them, how they can find you. Um, sounds scary, but it's not. And then, of course, everything they'd need. So they don't have a ton of content on their site either. However, let's check behind the scenes and see what they're doing so well. So as you can see, their strength is a 26 and their trust is a 3.7. And while they can still build their trust a little bit higher, what they are doing really well are those backlinks. They have 695 different backlinks leading back to their site, as well as 2,000 different organic keywords. Now, a lot of these keywords are going to be from their blog, but they still are ranking for a lot. So let's check them out. Flawless Flooring, Viking, Milwaukee Flooring. 200 people, first real position, 27 people from that. Flooring Milwaukee, 200 people, first real position, 27 people. And then Flooring Stores Milwaukee, 100 people a month search that. They're in the second or third position, maybe even the fourth, and they're getting 11 people from that. So as you can see, they're ranking for some buyer intent words, and they're getting that traffic coming to them for their service, not for their name. So if we're looking to beat them out, first things first, we got to get those backlinks up. You saw they had like how much was it? 900, 695. You're looking to beat them out by 100. So you want 800 different backlinks leading back to your site. The great thing is you know where to get 695. Their site. You can take theirs, add them to yours, and that'll help boost your URDR rating. Then of course you need that content. 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, and then 500 to 700 words throughout your different service pages to show Google that, hey, I want to rank for these buyer intent words that I'm going to put throughout my content. And that'll help Google rank you for those keywords. Put those both together, and you'll start seeing your URDR go up, as well as more traffic coming to your site for buyer intent purposes and getting more calls through your site. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, Gloria, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a Merry Christmas and have a blessed rest of your day.